Hey guys, so I purchased this iRobot Roomba i3 Plus from Best Buy. Let's get into this unboxing. Let's get right into it. These are the getting started instructions. It comes in several different languages and it explains how to unbox and set up your Roomba. The packaging is super nice. It comes divided into 3 sections. One for the robot, one for the base, another for its attachments. Is there anyone else like me? You love to save the boxes. So basically what I do is I remove everything and then I like to put the boxes and the departments that hold the items in place back inside the original packaging. And typically I'll either put the box away in the attic or the storage. And I usually like to just compile boxes, smaller boxes inside of empty boxes so that when I move, it makes it so much easier. Now I have installed the iRobot Roomba app and we are searching for the robot.
This is the quick start guide that it gives after you've completed the initial setup. I now have my base in a secure location where it will stay. It sort of gives me an insight on what to do, what to pick up around before I start a new job. This is the dashboard of the app.
Watch now as the Roomba cleans my bedroom floor. After the finished job, I'll send her home and then she'll go ahead and start returning home.